Tired of manually refreshing your Tableau dashboards to keep the information up to date? Let's learn how to configure automatic data refreshes, ensuring your visualizations always display real-time insights and save you valuable time. First, make sure your data source is published to Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud. This is crucial for enabling the automation features. Then, open your Tableau dashboard in Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud and navigate to the relevant data source. Click Data Sources from the menu on the left and select the specific data source feeding your dashboard. Now, locate the Schedule button or icon a euro, it's often a clock or calendar symbol a euro, which leads to your data refresh settings. Click on this to configure your automated refresh schedule. In the schedule settings, define your refresh frequency. Common options include hourly, daily, or weekly refreshes, the best choice depending on how often your data updates. Select a refresh time that best suits your needs. Consider the timing of your data updates. If your source data updates at midnight daily, ensure this is reflected within your schedule. Remember to consider server loads when setting up the time for the refreshes. You can also set up email notifications to alert you if a refresh fails. Consider adding other administrators so that issues are quickly resolved after setting up the schedule. Remember to save your configuration. Tableau will begin automatically refreshing your data, giving you the most current information. With these simple steps, your Tableau dashboard will constantly display the most current data, so you can focus on making important decisions. Remember to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips.